Welcome back, everyone. We're diving deep into Forex brokers today.
The key to navigating the currency market.
Right, and I know you guys listening, you're not new to this, so we're going beyond the basics, using all this research, really figuring out how to choose a broker that fits your trading style, like a tailored suit.
Absolutely. It's about finding the perfect fit for your trading strategy.
So first things first, how do these brokers actually connect you to the market? We hear terms like ECNs, FTPs, dealing desks. It can get a bit fuzzy. What's the real deal here?
You hit the nail on the head. It's about execution and where the broker makes their money. Take ECNs and STPs, for example. They're your direct line to liquidity providers, the big players moving the currency around.
So are we talking about faster trades, maybe even better prices?
Precisely. No middleman in the mix. Now, dealing desk brokers, that's a whole different ballgame. They become the market maker themselves, essentially taking the other side of your trade.
Interesting. And our research mentions this being a point of contention for some traders. Is it really a conflict of interest, or is that simplifying things too much?
That's the million-dollar question. It's definitely more nuanced than a simple yes or no. Our sources actually highlighted a case study. A dealing desk broker was manipulating prices to trigger their clients' stop-loss orders.
Wow, that's pretty alarming.
Yeah, it definitely raises red flags.
So even though a dealing desk setup isn't inherently bad, transparency and trust seem crucial. What should traders be looking out for?
It really boils down to digging deeper, looking at their order execution policies. Are they consistently giving you the best price? What about slippages, especially when the market's going crazy?
Right, so it's about understanding the risks involved. Sounds like choosing between ECN, STP, and dealing desk depends on your trading style and risk tolerance. If speed, transparency, and tight spreads are your thing, ECNs and STPs might be the way to go direct market access.
Exactly. Our research actually showed that active scalpers, the ones making tons of trades with small profit targets, they often prefer ECNs for that raw market access.
Makes sense. Okay, let's switch gears a bit. Regulation. We came across the FCA in the UK and the ACPR in France. What makes these regulatory bodies so important for Forex trading?
Think of them as the watchdogs, making sure everything's above board. Our sources went into the specifics of the FCA, things like segregating client funds.
So that's like an extra layer of protection for traders, knowing their money is safe even if the broker goes belly up.
Exactly. It's about peace of mind. And it goes beyond just protecting your money. The FCA, for instance, they make sure brokers have enough liquid assets to cover potential losses, so you're not left high and dry if things go south.
It's good to know someone's keeping an eye on things. Okay, we've covered the different brokers, the importance of regulation. Now let's talk about the trading platform itself, the Trader's Command Center. Our research highlighted MT4 as the industry standard, but there's also a growing trend of brokers offering their own platforms. What's the deal with that? What should traders be thinking about when making this choice?
Yeah, MT4, it's like the classic choice. User-friendly, customizable with all those indicators, and a huge online community for support. Our research even mentioned how its popularity makes it easy to switch brokers without needing to learn a whole new platform.
That's pretty convenient, especially for traders who might switch brokers as their needs change or if they're after some specific features. But what about those broker-specific platforms? What makes them stand out? It's like the tech world, right? Sometimes those exclusive systems, they have features you didn't even know you needed.
Exactly. And our research shows that brokers are really upping their tech game. Some platforms even use AI analysis now.
AI, wow. So you're getting real-time insights, potentially a real edge in the market.
That's the idea.
It's not just about how the platform looks anymore. It's about using tech to really understand the markets. So it seems like traders have a choice. The familiar, well-supported MT4 or these newer platforms with maybe more specialized tools.
Right. And my advice, test the waters yourself. A lot of brokers offer demo accounts so you can try before you buy. See what fits your trading style.
Great advice, like taking a car for a spin before committing.
Now, one last thing from our research. It might seem kind of separate, but our sources say it can really make or break your trading experience. Customer service.
No, absolutely. It's easy to get caught up in the technical stuff, but good customer service, especially when you need help fast, it's invaluable.
Imagine this. You're in a trade, the market's going against you, and your platform crashes. You can't close your position. Every second feels like an hour. Oh, that's the worst nightmare. That's when good customer support is a lifeline. Our research really emphasizes looking for brokers with 24/7 support, ideally with different ways to reach them, like live chat, email, phone.
And not just any support, right? You want someone who knows their stuff, who can actually help, especially under pressure.
Exactly. Look for knowledgeable, helpful agents, ideally multilingual too. Factor that responsiveness and expertise into your decision. Trust me, it makes a difference.
It's about peace of mind in the end, right?
Yeah.
Okay, we've covered a lot today. The ins and outs of different brokers, why regulation matters, the changing world of trading platforms, and that often overlooked but oh so important customer service.
It's about giving you the knowledge to choose the right broker for you.
Absolutely. Remember, knowledge is power, especially in trading. Keep learning, stay curious, and until next time, happy trading.